In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify store URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to update the address customers see when they visit your store. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login. You'll land on the sign-in screen. Enter the email address associated with your store, then choose Continue with Email. On the next screen, type your password and click Login. Make sure you're using the correct store owner or staff account with permission to manage settings. For security, never share your credentials, and consider enabling two-factor authentication later if you haven't already. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look for Settings at the bottom left and click it. This is where you manage all the core controls for your store. In the settings area, select domains. The domains page is where your store's web addresses live. You'll see your default Shopify address, which usually ends in myshopify.com. That default subdomain is created when you open your store and typically can't be renamed, but you can add a custom domain and use it so customers see your branded URL. Next, find the edit or pencil icon next to your default URL and click it. This opens the option to specify the domain you want customers to use. In the field provided, type the domain you want, such as yourbrand.com. Be sure to include the full domain and double check for typos. Choose something short, memorable, and consistent with your branding. If you already own this domain with a registrar, you'll be able to connect it. If you don't own it yet, Shopify may guide you to purchase one directly. When you're ready, click Add Domain. Shopify will validate what you entered. If the domain is available to purchase, you'll see prompts to proceed. If you already own it elsewhere, you'll see connection steps, so Shopify can point your store to that address. Depending on your setup, changes can take a little time to propagate across the internet. It's normal for this to take a few minutes and sometimes up to 48 hours. While you wait, avoid making repeated changes. Once connected, you'll see the domain listed on the domains page and your storefront will load at that address. That's it. You went to Shopify, logged in, opened settings, went to domains, used the pencil icon to specify your desired address, and clicked Add Domain to confirm. If you don't see the edit option, check your permissions or make sure you're in the correct store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.